Hi, in this video I'd like to show you the updates I did on my Nighthawk Pro 280. At the front I didn't change a lot, but as you can see I put it on lens protector for the GoPro just to avoid scratches on the GoPro lens, and I also tested it already and the video footage is good. So we don't have any strange reflections or something from the glass over the lens. So everything's good with this modification and you don't need to change your GoPro lens. The second thing I did is the mount for the GoPro. I added some 8mm spacers at the front end, built a small carbon plate to hold the rubbers from the original camera mount, and like this I have almost the same angle like the angled flight cam, so you have more or less the same footage on your GoPro like you can see it on your flight cam. Then third thing is, that's just for guys who use these gold plugs like I do it. You can make short circuits over your carbon plate when you get in contact with your battery, with your open contact from your battery, flight battery, and the carbon. So what I did is I used some plastic dip to isolate the edge of the plate, and like this there is no open spot which can produce short circuits. So that's just a safety feature to avoid short circuits. Then the last modification is on the back of the copter. My video transmitter, I added filter. It's Fatshark video signal filter. I just put it between the connector of the board and the power input on the video transmitter, and like this you have cleaner footage on your Fatshark goggles or whatever you use to have the FPV signal on the ground. Like this, I have clean signal. Something I forgot about the modified camera mount is that before I did this change, I installed the backside of the camera mount directly on the upper plate of the copter, and like this I have a little bit of vibrations still on the camera, and I did this without the small plate and I had the same angle like I have it now, but on the back side without rubbers, so then I had the problem to have some cello if there were not perfectly balanced props mounted on the motors. And like this, like you can see it now, I can also install not perfectly balanced props and it's still perfect footage with no cello. I really like this setup and it works well, and I think that will be the final setup for my Nighthawk Pro 280. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope there will come some flight footage soon. The weather is extremely cold at the moment, so perhaps you have to wait a bit for the first nice flight videos. Thanks for watching, bye.